just got my rental car and we're in Aruba. Ah! We made it. I'm staying at this hotel just for one night as it's a bit expensive, but it comes with a pretty cool perk that you'll see tomorrow. Good morning. She did not make it in time for the 7 a.m. boat ride. She tried, but that's okay. Let's do a room tour instead. From the door, getting onto the bathroom. Nice big bathroom with good shower head and a double shower head. That's super nice. So yeah, pretty nice bathroom. We have a closet with these super lovely robes. Let's be real, this is the only reason why I showered last night. Over here, like all the little mirrors, and I'm tall enough to be able to see my head through this one. Hello! So we have a little coffee bar, safe and fridge. They do these tea packets where this one has caramel, and so I went ahead and threw this on my coffee. They also have the sencha. So beautiful. Okay, so right here we have our nice wooden mirror next to the shelf. And look at this, this is so cute. I love this so much with all the textures on there. And then we've got the bed, and this says, what is your personal oasis? How cute is that? The lights. This is pretty much my desired aesthetic. Got our little table. A little hook wall. I was able to hang the robe on that last night. And then we have a balcony. All right, so it did say partial marina view, which it does, but it also has this view. That's okay. Whatever, that was pretty with the little mountain. We love finances here, so in case you're interested in a cost breakdown of the room, I'll leave that here for you. Sadly, it's time to leave the hotel, but not the perks of the hotel. That part continues, and actually, the next part is why I'm even staying here in the first place. It's right there. That was so incredibly underwhelming. I'm headed to a boat that leaves directly from the center of the hotel lobby, and the trip takes about 10 to 15 minutes. If you haven't figured it out by now, I'm headed to Renaissance Island because they have flamingos! This island is owned by the hotel I just stayed at and has limited access, so my stay here was one of those ways to get access. Another way is to get a day pass for $125, but purchasing only becomes available on Saturday morning for the following week, which makes it not guaranteed. There is another guaranteed way that I'll share with you later on that doesn't cost as much as the hotel room. I'm making my way to Flamingo Beach side, which is adult only, and there's still only about 10 to 15 people total at 9:30 a.m. So I have first pick and got myself a palapa. This is a pretty good downpour, but it's not so bad with this little coverage. I honestly have no idea how busy it'll get, so I'm jumping at the chance to feed the flamingos since the rain lightened just a little bit. I met a lovely couple and we became each other's flamingo photographers. For a little exploring time, here's the Iguana side for obvious reasons. It is kid-friendly, has a larger restaurant, a trail, and massages. And speaking of massages, this is the third way that I'm aware of to get access to the island. If you book on the island location, they just weren't available when I was looking. There's a single store here, and I'm not buying anything, but it's always fun to look around. It is tempting to get something with flamingos, though. I think this is officially the... That looks like someone dyed it. It's so pretty. From Aruba. I'm fed, so now let's check out the trail. Before I get too far in, I saw a video where you'd want bug spray. Apparently the bugs are really bad, so we're not taking chances. Look at this thing. I just saw the most turquoise iguana I've ever seen that I don't even know it was a thing. It was so beautiful. I'll show you. Don't worry, I got you. That's where I came from. What? How is this a beautiful beach and no one is here? I mean, you can't, maybe not a beach because you can't actually access the water, but nobody is over here. I rushed to get here thinking that I needed to get the 7 a.m. boat ride over, and I didn't make it. I tried. I ended up taking the 9:15 boat ride over, and that was really great. So as soon as I got here, it still felt like there were maybe 10 people on the whole entire island. Maybe not the entire, I only went to the one side at that point. The good side, the Flamingo Beach side. It was really great timing. I think it got busier around 9:45 mark. I'll let 9:30 slide. I think that still wasn't too bad. But 9:45 it started picking up, and then, I mean, I can show you, it's still not even that bad. And it's past noon at this point, 1:30, 2 o'clock maybe. We're on island time, we're not supposed to know, right? All of this is coral. There's nothing that's not coral here. It's all I see. So some of the coral has this bright magenta pink color in them. It's so crazy that that's just natural. Look at that. It's so cool. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna put it back. Oh, there's so many cool pieces of coral. So for the trail itself, it doesn't look like you would need shoes, but if you want to walk on the coral beach, you could say, and get to the little part, then absolutely I would use shoes. At least me, I have sensitive feet, so. What is that? Oh yeah, I think it's a coast snail. Oh no, I think it's a hermit crab on a stick. This island's pretty small, but I just came across 2 volleyball nets. Very unoccupied, and I know it also has a gym somewhere over here too. I'm just on the trail. I wouldn't call it a trail. I would call it a walking path. Unless I missed it, I don't know where this goes. Maybe just around the other side. Let's find out. So probably not for me. Little storage and workspace. I guess that was the trail. Concreted, pathwayed trail. But I did see some iguanas and the bright blue ones, which that was really cool. My phone said it was 85 degrees, but with the breeze and the shade, it wasn't bad at all. And now I'm getting a little toasty. Oh! Sorry. He wants to go play volleyball. So does this other little guy. Definitely not acclimated to people like the flamingos are. I found the gym. It doesn't look like anyone's in here, so. Hello, in case you were wondering what the gym looks like at Renaissance Island, this is it. So many people stay around the populated areas, but look at this! Master massages are at work. Oh, I see him. Okay, no wonder this is unoccupied. I think he had a little tournament. Here's the little walk to my beach, Flamingo Beach. A plane! My little palapa right there. I'm just in the middle of the ocean, floating with a cocktail. look at my view and my surroundings. Feet are not free. I'm trying so hard to balance here. Happy Thursday. Hello! It is 5 o'clock and it has calmed down at the beach here so much. This is about the same level of busyness that it was when I first arrived at 9:30, 9:45 in the morning. the car, we got our bags, and we're going to our next location, our next stay accommodation. Let's go.